Everyone. Now today I am going to start with the new chapter that is on carbon and its compounds. Now symbol of carbon is, you all know, it is C, and atomic number of carbon is 6 and valency is 4. So it is considered to be the major component of most of the compounds, and it generally constituents of the most organic matter in the form of fossil fuel or in reproductive material like DNA or RNA. Organic compounds even constitute the carbon in the form of, for example, hydrocarbons, which are the compounds of hydrogen and carbon, and there are many more organic compounds like you have methane, ethane, butane, and next is inorganic compounds like you have the carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide, or you have carbonates, limestone, magnesite. All these are the inorganic compounds. So it forms the major constituents of all these compounds. Coming to the next heading as occurrence. Now in nature carbon is found in free as well as combined state. So I have divided under two categories: occurrence of carbon under free state, and the second one is the combined state. Now free state carbon is present in diamond, graphite and coal. So these are the three free states of carbon in the form of diamond, graphite and coal. State, we have carbon present in plants and animals, in the form of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals and vitamins. This is in plants and animals. Now the presence of carbon in nature is in the form of hydrocarbons, which I have already told you. Hydrocarbons means the compounds of hydrogen and carbon. Like you have methane, CH4, that is methane, or ethane is C2H6, and natural fuels in the form of natural fuels like you have the petroleum, kerosene, diesel and so on. And then you have petroleum and kerosene, diesel and so on. And in the form of carbonates, like you have the limestone, that is in the form of limestone, that is calcium carbonate, or magnesite, that is magnesium carbonate. And fossil fuel, I have told you already here, that is in the form of fossil fuels, can be in the form of kerosene, diesel or LPG, CNGs. So these are the different forms of carbon in the combined state. Then we have presence of carbon in the form of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Then we have in water, carbon is present in the form of carbon dioxide and carbonic acid in water. So these are the different combined states of carbon, that is in plants and animals in the form of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals. In nature in the form of hydrocarbons, like you have the methane or ethane or butane, or in the form of fossil fuel like you have petroleum, kerosene, diesel, CNGs and so on. And then you have in the form of limestone present in the form of minerals, like you have the limestone, magnesite, or different carbonates like you have calcium bicarbonate. And then next category you have in the atmosphere, carbon is present in the form of carbon dioxide, and in water it is existing in the form of carbon dioxide and carbonic acid. That is all about the occurrence of carbon in free state as well as in combined state. Thank you.